Magandang hapon po ng Friday, April 24, 2026. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, April 24, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng April 24, 2026 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, April 24, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Mega Lotto 645 for April 24, 2026, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Friday, April 24, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.